You have started to get sick more often at the age of 45 plus. So remember, according to the new classification of the World Health Organization, at 45 plus, your youth ends and the mature period begins. But by this period, you have come with certain results. The first result is that you have given birth to children, raised them, and provided them with a path in life, rewarding them with an independent resource of health. Second, at the same time, you have established an economic foundation for yourself because you became a specialist, built a career, and able to earn money. And besides, you have friends. It seems like everything is fine. So what is bothering you? Why have you started to get sick? And you have started to get sick because this period of life has already ended. You are entering a new period of life. And in the new period of life, new knowledge is needed, but you do not have it. The knowledge you had has already been applied to the three things I listed. Therefore, you do not have new knowledge. You sit and think, so what is new knowledge? It is some signals, it is some information. And suddenly you feel, oh, there's a pain in your back. Oh, a joint cracked. Oh, your head started to ache. You begin to catch signals from your own body. The brain says, well, then we will develop this topic. You continue to listen to yourself and you find more signals and you amplify the symptoms that come from the body, which lives by its own laws. It lives by the laws of gradual aging. And so you begin to indeed amplify these aging signals with your brain. Great, right? It's clear why you acquire so many diseases. Understand. And I will tell you, you have one more unpleasant habit. The unpleasant habit is that you do not pay attention to the signals that come from outside the body, that is, from the environment. You do not see these signals. You are only focused on yourself. And this is very bad. Therefore, let's agree. Undoubtedly, a new stage of life requires new information. And do not catch it in your body, because the body will send you signals of aging processes. Catch. Information and signals from the environment. And then your head will stop hurting. Your joints will crack less, and you will look more optimistically at the world around you and your future life. Winter cold is approaching now, and probably we will get sick more often. But if you want to get sick less, then come with us to the Academy of Youth. There we provide a lot of new information and offer ways to apply this information personally in your life. And I want to say that we can really celebrate the new year together at the Academy of Youth. Come to the Academy of Youth. All the information is in the link below.